Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to another episode. This Merlot and port wine pan gravy is what I made with my venison meatloaf. My basic ingredients are onion, celery, mushrooms, salt, black pepper, thyme, bay leaf, and I used granulated garlic because this day when I made everything I did not have fresh garlic, otherwise I would have used fresh garlic. A few basic principles when you make a pan gravy or a pan sauce. You put your vegetables in, you want to make them translucent, or if you need color or caramelization kind of flavor, depending, that would depend on how long you cook it. I just wanted to make everything translucent, threw my mushrooms in, and I also put in my seasonings at this point as well. The next step is to add the flour into the butter. You want to make sure that the butter is incorporated into the flour before you add any liquid. The reason being, the sauce would separate. So once you have that step, you slowly add the ingredients. For me, the beginning, you want to deglaze the pan with the wine. So I added the Merlot and I added the port. I thoroughly incorporated that into the roux in the bottom of the pan to avoid clumps. You want to mix it thoroughly, and then once you start adding the beef stock, you add that at a slow pace as well. You want everything to emulsify. You want to avoid the clumps from the flour. And now at this point, I added twice as much liquid or the beef broth. So I'm going to reduce it down to actually make it into a sauce consistency. Right now it's thin and soupy. It takes about 25 minutes to cook out the starch, so anything over that is a bonus. It just makes it smooth and rich. You see the impurities come up to the top. That's what I keep consistently skimming off of the sauce. You don't want to have that in your sauce. It will make your sauce cloudy. I know that sounds weird, but in terms, it will change. It'll just change the look. You can do it. It really won't affect flavor, but it will affect the clarity and the look. So here I'm showing you what a proper consistency of a sauce should look like. You should be able to drag it your finger across a spoon and not have it run back on itself. Ready to go. This is basically it. This is the sauce we used for our venison meatloaf. Just a quick side note, you can also use this for almost any kind of grilled, baked, or braised protein. Thanks for checking this episode and stopping by. If I left any questions for you, please feel free to comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much and have a good day.